Hey there, students. All right, student request of the week. So I've been asked to go over the surface area of a rectangle prism using a net diagram. In order to find the total surface area, you have to calculate the area of each face, and then we're gonna add all of them together. I have my 3D shape, my net. Remember, if I fold my net, it will give me this 3D shape. To make this process easy, I'm going to color code my dimension of my 3D shape corresponding to my net. I'm going to start with the largest face, which correspond to my number 2 and my number 5. So we have this side, this side. It's corresponding to this one, this one, this one. Okay, I'm going to pick orange for the bottom of my 2 blue line, which corresponds to my 5 centimeter. And on my net, it's located right here, here, and here. Okay, simple enough. So what we are left with is my 4 centimeter. So my 4 centimeter is basically between here and here. Let me add back my 5 centimeter in here as well. So what we are left with now is my 4 centimeter. This side corresponds to this, and because my 4 and my 6 is exactly the same shape, they will have the same dimension. So I'm going to color code my 4 centimeter in here and in here. The only thing that is that can be tricky and confusing to the students is that they may think that this measurement is 5. Okay, they think this is a square, but in reality, if you fold the net, this dimension has to match this dimension. You cannot have this side longer or shorter than this side. If not, your rectangle is not going to be a perfect rectangle. So this dimension has to be equal to this dimension. So the color is yellow, not orange. Okay, so this is yellow. And the same logic goes for this shape, because 1 and 3 are exactly the same shape. So I'm going to also color code this in yellow. Now we are ready for the calculation. I can see that my shape 1 and 3 are the same. So I'm going to write a note, 1 and 3, same. I can see that my shape 2 and 5 are the same. 2 and 5, same. And then finally, so 3 and 1 is the same. 4, my 4 and my 6 are the same. Now we are going to calculate the area of each face. We're going to start with number 1. We know that the area is going to be my yellow, which is 4 times 5. Okay, L times W, if you remember. So it would be 4 times 5, 4 multiplied by 5, which is 20. Please remember this is in centimeter square. And then because 1 and 3 are the same, so I'm going to also write 20 centimeter square. Now my 2, we said my 2 and 5 are the same. So my 2 is 5, orange, times 10. So 5 times 10 is equals to 50. And 2 and 5 are the same, so this is also going to be 50 centimeter square. So we are left with 4 and 6, so 4 and 6. 4 is 4 centimeter for the yellow, so 4 times 10. So 4 times 10 equals to 40. and I have 40 in here. Okay. Now we are ready to add all the area of each face to find our total surface area. So, or what we could do is, we know that we have 1 and 3 are the same, 2 and 5 are the same, 4 and 6 are the same. What we could do, we could just do 2 times shape 1 and 3, so 2 times 20 plus 2 times 50 plus 2 times 40. Okay, so that should give me 2 times 20 is 40 plus 2 times 50 is 100 plus 2 times 40 is 80. So my total becomes 40 plus 80 is 120. 120 plus 100 is 220 centimeters square. So if you add up everything, it should also give you 220 centimeters square. So that was fairly easy. Great job, students. I hope this was helpful to you. I'm happy to help you in any ways possible, so feel free to drop me a student request in the comment below. If you like the video, please remember to share it with your friend and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. This will support my channel. Thank you again and have a fantastic day. Until next time.